Weight and mass. Mass and weight. 25 minutes, 11 points. Watch this 3-minute video, which is a video about mass and weight. Then use the information from the video to complete the passage, filling in the yellow space with the key words. Key words are gravity, lift, mass, stuff, and weight. Weight is the force exerted on an object by, the more there is in an object, the greater the force of gravity on it. The semi-truck is difficult to move along the road because it has too much, not that it's too heavy. The truck is too difficult to, because it has too much weight. Is how much stuff something is made of, is how much force pulls down on the stuff due to gravity. Try this short experiment at home. You will need 2 identical food tins, one empty, the other one unopened. Insert a photograph of your tins. How can you tell which is the empty can even though you can't see the contents? We measure mass in units of grams and kilograms. Weight is a force and so has units of newtons. Complete the table with mass or weight in the missing boxes. These are the boxes here. The amount of stuff or matter depends on how much stuff and gravity, has units of newtons, has units of grams or kilograms. So for instance, you're going to need to choose one of these 6 words there and type it in to that space there. And you need to choose either mass or weight and type it in these 4 boxes here. And both of these words are used twice.